The presentation was entitled Enabling Knowledge, and the background to my presentation is the observation that we are, as modern societies, moving into an age of knowledge society in which knowledge-based decisions are increasingly important, and especially decisions which are generated by science and technology. And therefore, for many observers, the issue arises about the relationship between highly specialized scientific and technical knowledge and the layman or the citizen. And many scientists, particularly scientists, are worried about a growing gap, growing distance of the knowledgeability of citizens and highly specialized scientists. And I questioned whether this gradient, this gap, this distance between the knowledge of citizens and the knowledge of experts or scientists is indeed as deep and is unbridgeable, cannot possibly be bridged. And my argument is, in light of the growing knowledgeability of citizens, by which I mean the increasing access of many previously groups who were previously denied education, higher education, in light of the growing knowledgeability of citizens in many societies, perhaps this gap between highly specialized knowledge, between experts and laymen, is not as great as it is made out to be in many circles. Therefore, my suggestion is that the boundaries between science, scientific knowledge, and common sense knowledge, everyday knowledge, are much more malleable than is often assumed. And therefore, there is the possibility of more intensive participation of citizens in science and the use of scientific and technical knowledge. Well, the observation, of course, is linked to the increasing tempo of scientific and technical knowledge, and therefore the fear that because of the tempo with which knowledge develops, the distance between what laymen know and what experts know grows even larger and more significant, and has serious effects for the kind of political regime, kind of political system we live in. If democracy means the participation of a large segment of society, and if decisions in society are increasingly based on knowledge and technology, then of course the question arises about the possibility of citizens participating in decisions which are knowledge-driven or knowledge-based. So the development of science and technology also brings with it, example is the internet, brings with it capacities or resources for individual citizens, civil society organizations, NGOs and others to get involved in matters which were previously perhaps closed off or shut off to them.